with some ugly friends of mine. When the door came off its hinges, like the cork from fizzy wine, it said, my name is Jesus, I'm the leader of the band. Gotta set up my equipment if you boys can lend a hand. Oh yeah, when Jesus came to play, when Jesus came to play. All right. You said that bandstand jumping, yeah, he cranked it up so loud, and he moved up to the microphone, and the attention of the crowd. You said, my name is Jesus, gonna turn your head around. I'm gonna make this easy, got no time to mess around. Oh yeah, when Jesus came to play, when Jesus came to play, oh, when Jesus came to play. When Jesus came to play, when Jesus came to play. I got no 12 disciples, and I got no cross to bear. If you thought they had me crucified, I guess you weren't there. Oh yeah, when Jesus came to play, when Jesus came, he sang about 3 or 4 numbers. Yeah, but we'd heard it all before. We boys were getting restless, no girls were moving on the floor. Those parables, they were merciless, yeah, and the tables overturned, and there were no minor miracles, but false prophets, they were burned. Well, maybe he was Jesus, but his hair could have used a comb. Long before he hit the last notes, we boys had all gone home. Oh yeah, when Jesus came to play, when Jesus came to play, when Jesus came to play, when Jesus came to play. All right. Oh, Jesus, the real you.